Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. If your dishwasher is an integrated model, pause the video and follow these steps to gain access if needed. Begin by removing the lower basket. The drain microfilter is found here on this Bosch model. To remove, twist anti-clockwise and lift out. To detach the old drain microfilter from the bottom filter plate, pull the mesh filter away. The plastic part of the filter is held in place by a tab on either side. Press these in to remove the filter. Unpackage your new drain microfilter. Make sure the plate has the arrow on the top and then feed the plastic part of the filter through the top of the filter plate, clicking the two side tabs in place. Then attach the mesh part of the filter. Making sure the arrow is in the bottom left corner of the filter plate, insert it into the dishwasher. Rotate the new filter clockwise until the arrows line up and you can't rotate any further. Reinsert your lower basket. And that's it, your new dishwasher drain microfilter is all set to go.